So, ayan mga kaswerte. Good morning. Gala po tayo. Andito po ako ngayon sa my Target. Targetin natin yung mga bibilhin. Char. So, yeah. So, naghahanap po ng sapatos yung aking asawa. So, andoon po siya. Yan, hanapin natin. So, yan. Ang daming mabibili. Pera na lang po yung kulang. Ayan, so he's looking for a shoes. They have shoes?
I've got now the glasses. Size 12 or 13.
Size 12 or 13. Shoes?
Well, I don't know. Just got to find something cheap.
Well, there's Crocs over there.
Hey?
Over that side, there's Crocs.
Socks?
Crocs.
Where?
That side. Or what about something like this you don't like? Easy to put in your foot.
How much is that? I haven't got any glasses.
$16.
Fuck me, for a pair of socks.
Oh, you're in Australia. You're not in the Philippines. Try this one. It's 25.
Where?
$25 for that.
Oh, fuck that.
Oh, fuck that. Gawan ko na lang kaya ito ng tsinelas, mga kaswerte. Kasi mahal daw yung mga tsinelas. Well, get something good, like easy for you to put in. Something like this one.
$35.
Well, it's worth it. You need the shoes.
$20. No good?
Yeah, they're good. They fit on you?
Can you find me 13s?
13. That's 12.
Is that 12?
Yeah.
So you can find something bigger.
That's
Oh,
That's
you see if you
12.
can find something bigger and I'll go look.
11. So, ang laki kasi ng paa nito, guys. Yan. So, ang size niya is 12. 13. Napan ko daw siya ng size 13. Oh, nasa 12 lang naman. Ang liliit naman nito. Eh, ang laki-laki ng paa. $12. Only a 12. 10. That's 12.
$20.
Yeah. $20, but that's alright.
They're gonna break, I wonder.
I wonder, yeah, but I will check some over there. Just check. Ayan, naglupasay na po siya. So I'll just check that and I'll check another shoes for you, okay? Alright?
Well, there's boots up there
Yeah.
for $55.
Well, get it. So, ayan. Nag-ano siya kasi sobrang mahal daw. Eh, nandito siya sa may Australia, eh, diba guys? So, napan ko nga siya. Napan ko siya ng pink shoes. Pambabae naman itong mga nandito. So, ayan. Hamaan nyo akong mamili ng mga sapatos. Kaya pambabae itong mga to. Yan, so wala dito. So, doon lang. Tignan nyo mga kaswerte. Iniwan niya yung sapatos niya doon. Ibenta ko na kaya. Shoes for sale. Shoes for sale. Are they good?
I know. So you can find 12. Where are the boots? Come and have a look at these boots.
Tingnan nyo kung pa. Nakakatawa naman to kasi
How
mamili.
much you like?
Much are they? Tingnan natin magkano. This is size 11. There's no price. Oh shit, $79.
What?
$79.
Yeah, we'll forget them.
This one?
Yeah, forget them. What size?
Forget them or get them?
Forget them.
Forget.
What size are these?
Nine.
Is there any 12s?
I'll look at. It's 11, 10, 10, 11. You only have 10, 11,
These are narrow.
9. Walang kasya, ganito na lang kaya na boots. That slippers is good. What do you have? That one. My God, what are you doing? Iniiwan niya itong sapatos niya. I was holding your shoes.
What's the time?
3:10, so it's probably 3:20 now. Why don't you just get what you have now?
If I get a pair of these, they're going to stink, aren't they?
No,
Hey?
no. That's 7.
Yeah, Linda.
This is 12 over this one. What about that one?
12.
Yeah, there. So yeah, nakahanap siya ng mas maganda. That's better. Oh yeah.
They're dearer, but
But they're good. It's easy for you to put your foot on.
undo it with. Oh.
You don't have to undo there. I-undo daw niya, hindi niya alam i-undo. There you go. Hirap na hirap siya magsuot. They're good. That's good, isn't it? Get them. They're just the same like what you had before.
They're good.
They're good. Get them.
Yeah.
I like them.
That's us.
That's us. That's it.
Let's go.
Ayan, so nakapili na siya mas maganda. Ayan, so it's $35. Yeah, they're good. I like them.
Yeah.
I was looking for 12. I've looked and there is no.
Talk.
Yeah, but then they don't have 12. when I
There's
look.
12.
Yeah, come on, let's go. Yan, so ganito mag-shopping ang mga lalaki. Mabilis. Let's go. Huwag tayong mga babae, so marami pang chichibureche, di po ba? Yan. Yeah, this is better, dear. Come on, let's go. Yan, so baka pag ako mag-shopping, eh, mahal. Char, hindi rin po ako mahilig sa mga mahal na gamit. So, sa off shop lang po is okay na ako. Ito kasi, mahirap maghanap ng tsinelas niya. So, dito kami sa may Target. Then, ako naman is okay lang naman po sa
How
akin.
much are they?
Yeah, take them. They're good.
$20.
Take them.
I'm not buying them now. I only come to buy shirts. Just get
Okay.
over it.
Balik daw kami. Yan, so shoes lang po yung aming binili. Kasi sa akin man po is di ko na kailangan ng shoes at tsinelas. Kasi meron na po ako. So, one is enough po sa akin. Saka sa off shop, okay na sa akin. So, yan. Magbabayad na po kami ng sleeper. Tara, bayad tayo.